Hi there, my name is Diane, and I'm a co-founder of Tabs Systems Architect. Mainly, what I do is I handle process and system audits. Okay, so right now, what I'll be showing you is our Airbnb OS. Okay, so this will be helpful to, say, your team and also to you because everything's in here. Okay. Now, as you can see, you see here the name of the dashboard. It's up to you, whatever you want to put there. But currently, we do have DHH dashboard. This is the dashboard of the holiday that I'm currently supporting. And then you'd also see here a code for the day, so that motivates your team as well as places to visit. So you can choose whatever you want to put here on the right side. Okay, and you also have the sprint planning calendar or the scrum. Now you'd have property list. So these are the properties for you. So right here we do have 6 properties for DHH. And on each property you have information about each of the properties, the property name, the address, and everything that you need to know about the property. Okay, and then right here you'd have the calendar, so you have overall calendar, and you'd also have separate calendars for each properties, as you can see here. And then we do have the clock, so say you have teams that on different time zones, so that will be helpful for them. And important updates. What I do with important updates, this is where I put any new process or any updated process that I've done. And then the why. Okay, side note, it's up to you again if you'd like to put that in. But it's for the why, it's actually helpful for your team. It motivates them as well. Now, for the core workspace, you do have the action and focus. So for that particular team member, so you would have, or they would actually see their focus for the day. As for me, this is my focus for the day. Okay, I do put here the tasks. It is actually, well, we do use naming convention, as you can see there, and then the task that should be done for that day. And also the status and to whomever it's assigned to. Okay. Now on the right side, you do have navigation and vitals. So this is urgent and block. So urgent, of course, something that should be done right away. And block, say, what task wasn't done and why. What's the blocker for that task? Okay. And then we do have maintenance list. So these are maintenance issues. And again, we do have naming convention here. So the property name, the issue, and also if you click here and there. So whoever it's assigned to, or to which vendor it's assigned to. We also have active projects. Okay, KB articles. So KB articles has process, policies, troubleshooting. Okay, and email templates, of course. So, the team wouldn't have to basically um, write it from scratch. So you'd have the templates. And the prompts, this prompts is for AI prompts. Okay, and also the guest list. I'll have a different video about the guest list, but this is the guest list. And the team directory, for the team directory, you'd have each, of course, their name, all the information about them. And important, so this is where you can customize whatever you'd like to put in here. Okay. So that's it. Thank you so much.